Hello friends, today we will discuss Bobo doll experiment of Bandura. Bobo doll experiment conducted by Albert Bandura in 1961 and 1963. It was a landmark study in psychology which demonstrated the concept of observational learning, also known as social learning theory. The experiment shows how children learn behaviors by observing others, particularly in the context of aggression. So, the experiment involved young children whose age was 3 to 6 years, who observed adults interacting with large inflatable doll called Bobo doll. Bandura and his team aimed to investigate whether children would imitate aggressive behaviors they observed in adults even without direct reinforcement. Experiment was set up like this. There were 72 children participants. Out of them, 36 were boys and 36 girls from Stanford University's nursery school. Groups. The children were divided in three groups. First was experimental group, who observed an adult model behaving aggressively towards the Bobo doll, hitting, kicking, and verbally abusing it. Experimental group observed an adult model behaving non-aggressively, playing calmly and ignoring the doll. Control group did not observe any model. Now the process of experiment was like this. Stage 1, modeling. Each child was individually exposed to an adult model in a room with toys, including Bobo doll. The model either displayed aggressive or non-aggressive behavior for 10 minutes. Stage 2, aggression arousal. Children were mildly frustrated, told they were told that they could not play with certain toys to create context of potential aggression. Stage 3, observation. Children were then taken to a room with various toys, including the Bobo doll, and their behavior was observed for 20 minutes through a one-way mirror. Researchers recorded the children's behavior, focusing on imitating aggression, copying the model's specific aggressive acts, that is, hitting the doll with a mallet, non-imitative aggression, other aggressive behaviors not shown by the model, non-aggressive behaviors, playing calmly or ignoring the doll. Key findings: imitation of aggression. Children who observed the aggressive model were significantly more likely to exhibit aggressive behaviors towards the Bobo doll compared to those in non-aggressive or control group. They often replicated specific actions like hitting the doll or shouting phrases the model used. Gender differences. Boys were more likely to display physical aggression than girls, though girls showed verbal aggression when exposed to aggressive models. Male models' aggression was more imitated than female models. Influence of observation. The experiment showed that children could learn behaviors through observation alone without direct rewards or punishments. Challenging behaviorist theories that emphasize reinforcement. Role of frustration. The mild frustration in stage 2 increased the likelihood of aggressive behavior. Acts were tied to the observed model's behavior. Variations. In follow-up experiments, Bandura tested additional variables, film versus live models. Some children watched aggressive behavior on film or through a cartoon character, and they still imitated the aggression, suggesting media could influence behavior. Reinforcement. When models were rewarded for aggression, children were more likely to imitate. If models were punished, imitation decreased. Implications. The Bobo doll experiment provided strong evidence for social learning theory, which posits that people learn behaviors, skills, and attitudes by observing others. Key implications include media influence. The study raised concerns about the impact of violent media on children's behavior, as they might imitate aggressive acts seen on TV or for films. Role modeling, it highlighted the importance of positive role models in shaping behavior, especially in children. Beyond behaviorism, the experiment challenged the behaviorist view that learning requires direct reinforcement, showing that observation cognitive processes play a significant role. This theory was criticized on following grounds: artificial setting, the lab environment, and Bobo doll designed to be hit may not reflect real world aggression. Second is ethical concerns. Exposing children to aggressive models raised question about the potential of encouraging harmful behavior. Third is short-term effects. The study measured immediate imitation, not long-term behavior changes. Demand characteristics. Children might have acted aggressively because they thought it was expected, not because of learning. Direct reinforcement showing that observation and cognitive process play a significant role.